So this video is part one of the lesson 4.7 on subtracting expressions, which is found on page 231. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to subtract. So right here, I can subtract expressions using properties of operations. So we've been adding expressions and simplifying expressions and writing expressions, but now we're going to also subtract them from each other. So we're going to skip that, explore it. And let's look at the first example it's already worked out for us here, but I'm going to walk you through this example. So it says, Lita's family wants to put tile border around their swimming pool. What expression represents the total area of the border? So we have to kind of think about how we would find the area. So if you just think about in general, how do you find area? So if you find area of a rectangle by multiplying, you'll multiply the length times the width, and that would give you the area of the pool, right? So it's the length times the width. That would be the area of the whole pool. The tiled part is the part that's not water. So the tile part is this. It doesn't look like a big rectangle, but that's just perspective. So it's like this rectangular frame going around the pool. So they've redrawn it down here so that there's no perspective issue, and they're showing that here's this big, tan rectangle, and then the blue rectangle in the middle signifies the water. So what you want to do is to find the area of just the outer part. You would just have to subtract out. We're just going to subtract out this middle pool area. Okay. So what is the length of the whole thing altogether? Well, that would be 14 feet, but plus the 2 feet on each end. So that's a total of 18 feet. So then the full pool, the length is 18 feet. And then to find the area times the width, well, the width would be this dimension here. Well, they're telling us that the length of the pool, or the width of the pool, is actually 2x, whatever x is, plus the 14 feet. So it's more than the other one. So they're not even telling us what it is. They're saying it's 2x with 14. Well, that's just the water part. It's 2x with 14. Then you have to add 2 feet on each side for the border. So that's where they're getting the 2x plus 18. See, 2 plus this right here is 2x plus 14 plus 2 more over here, and that's a total of 2x plus 18 when they simplify it. So that would be the area of the whole thing, the whole big thing. So to find that area, I would use the distributive property, 18 times 2 and 18 times 14. So that's where they get the 36x plus 324. So that's the area of the whole pool. Then we have to take out or subtract out the area of the water, because the water isn't part of this tile going around. So the water part is 14, and by 2x plus 14. So that's where they get this part here. So we have to, the area of the pool is, so this right here is 36x plus 324. And the area of the pool would be 14 times 2x plus 14. So that would be 28x. And then 14 times 14 is 196. So what they're saying is you have to subtract all of that away. So you have to subtract the 28x and subtract the 196. So that's why you're subtracting the 28 and subtracting the 196. So once you do that, you can simplify your like terms. 36x minus 28x, 8x, and then 324 minus 196 is 128. So that's how they got that answer. All right.